Hello guys, so welcome to part 3 of our data text pre-processing in Python. So we'll be talking about on how to remove punctuations from our data set or from our text. So from the previous video, we had printed the first row on the tweets column, and this was the results. As you can see, like this one, these are the punctuations. We are going to remove this one, this one, this one, this one. So these are the punctuations we are going to remove in this video. So let's do that. So punctuations are like I had created this list, the list of the punctuations on in Python. So we're going to remove the punctuations from our lowercase dataset. Lowercase is the tweets that are turned into small letters, all of them, so that they are treated equally. So we are going to remove our punctuations from the lowercase. So there are three methods you can use on removing the punctuation. So the first method on removing the punctuation, which I'm going to demonstrate, and the method I like most is using regex. It's regex, and then you can use the string, translate from string. So let me demonstrate first using translate, then I will describe using regex. So we are going to return a data frame of lowercase. Okay, so it's equals to. So we are going still to use the data frame lowercase dot apply. So then we define an anonymous function which is lambda. Then x with the will be hello. So it shall loop the tweets, the lowercase tweets, each row by row. So x shall represent is the argument which shall represent the row of the tweets. So the first row like this will be the first, second, third. So you shall loop through these tweets. So each line by line. So x shall represent the whole of this line. After that, this. So we're going to use that. Then for translate, it takes the empty strings, two empty strings. Then the third strings will be the list of punctuations which we are going to remove from our tweets. So string, that is the tweets dot translate, open that function. Then string dot make trans shall accept two empty strings. Definitely what it says is to replace the where there is punctuation, replace with an empty string. Punctuation like that. Then here we are going to import string. So let's see. I'm going to remove the punctuations from the lowercase. So when we are going to generate the tokens, no punctuations will be found on the tokens. So when you are to run this, we don't expect to have this on our results, this punctuation. So let's see. Getting an error here. I wrote punctuations wrong. Punctuation. So as you can see, the punctuations were removed from our tokens, as you can see. But now you can see this one was omitted because it's not found in punctuations. That's why I said I like using regex to remove the punctuations, because maybe for this you can't remove it using the translate because it's not in the strings dot punctuations. So the second method you're going to use, which shall remove even this one, is regex. So regex does a very good job on that. So let's use regex. So we are supposed to import. So data frame, we are going to return the lowercase equals to, still we are going to use the lowercase data frame dot apply. So we are going to apply that. So same way we are going to define an anonymous function and an argument x which shall be a row of or a line of tweet. So we are going to get there to use the now the regex on the tweet. So if you don't know about regex, so regex is a is somehow a complicated course, but when you understand it, it's quite useful. And then I'm going to give the x, but now x is supposed to be a string, so like that, because it should be a string now, so no problem. So let's run that. Yeah, as you can see for this on regex, this one was removed. So regex does some pure cleaning when removing punctuation, so that's why I like regex. So you can use regex to do so. Again, because it's normally that not obvious that this punctuation will be there, but if it's there, you can copy it and define your own list, like the one I shown you here, and add this one on your list. So when you are to clean, you can do another that method for cleaning this. You can define your own function. Let's do the third method also on how to remove the punctuations. So we can comment this. So let's do our third method. Even copy paste. So let's do our third method. So here we can define a function. Let's define a function. Remove punctuation. So we pass in. We can pass in y. That's an argument. So we are going to take y for x in y. So we are going to look through the sentence or the string. Then if because you are going to look through a word by word, you are going to that word. If that word is in punc or punctuations, so we are going to return a new line without the punctuation. So x will be x is equals to no z is equals to y. So z is equals to, we are going to return a new string, this string to z. So z will be done some corrections on. So punctuations will be removed from z. Then we are going to return a z, which is a new string without the punctuations. So z is equals to z dot replace. So x we are replacing with, if now that this value here is in punc, we are going to replace that value with an empty string. Okay, so let's return z. So we are going to use this function here. So we are going to call remove punctuation, then we are going to pass in x. So let's see. So as you can see, our punctuation or all of our punctuations were removed. So so you can use those any of the three methods, and that's all for part 3 of our video on how to remove punctuations from our text. Thank you.